Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the most common, most important, and maybe most confusing verb in the English language, the verb to be. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll master it like a pro. Whether you're just starting your English journey or need a quick refresher, this lesson is for you. So grab a notebook and let's get started. First up, let's talk about the present tense. The present tense of to be is all about what's happening right now. It's used to describe states, identities, and characteristics. The tricky part is that it changes form depending on who you're talking about. Let's break it down. For I, we always use am. For example, I am a teacher. I am happy. I am from Canada. It's that simple. Just remember, I and am are best friends. They always go together. Next, for you, we use are. This works for both singular you and plural you. You are a student. You are watching this video. You are all amazing learners. So whether I'm talking to one person or a whole group, it's always you are. Now, for he, she, and it, with these we use is, for example, he is my brother. She is smart. It is a sunny day. This covers a single person or a single thing. He is, she is, it is easy, right? Finally, for we and they, we go back to using are, just like with you. For instance, we are learning English together. They are my friends. We are excited. They are at the library. So, to recap the present tense, I am, you are, he, she, it is we are, they are. Practice saying those out loud. It really helps. All right, now that we've got the present down, let's travel back in time to the past tense. We use the past tense of to be to talk about things that have already happened. Luckily, there are only two forms to remember here, was and were. We use was with I, he, she, and it. For example, yesterday, I was tired. He was at the park. She was a doctor. It was a cold day. So, for any single person or thing in the past, except for you, we use was. So where does were fit in? We use were with you, we, and they. Remember how you can be singular or plural? Well, in the past tense, it always takes were. For example, you were right. You were here last night. We also use it for groups. We were on vacation. They were late for the meeting. Let's quickly review the past tense. I was, he was, she was, it was, and then you were, we were, they were. The biggest point of confusion for learners is often you was versus you were. Always remember, it's always you were, no matter if you're talking to one person or many. Okay? Time to blast off into the future. The future tense is my favorite because it's the easiest one of all. To talk about the future with the verb to be, we just need two little words, will be. And the best part, it's the same for everybody. No changes, no exceptions. I will be there tomorrow. You will be successful. He will be a great leader. She will be happy to see you. It will be a fun party. We will be traveling next month. They will be ready soon. See? It's will be across the board. From I to they, it never changes. English can be simple sometimes. So, to put it all together, present tense describes now, past tense describes before, and future tense describes later. I am, I was, I will be. You are, you were, you will be. He is, he was, he will be, and so on. You've now learned the complete conjugation for the most essential verb in English. The key to making this stick is practice. Try to make your own sentences. Look around you right now. What do you see? It is a desk. I am sitting. Now, think about yesterday. I was at home. The weather was nice. Now, think about tomorrow. I will be busy. It will be a new day. The more you use it, the more natural it will become. That's our lesson on the verb to be. I hope this breakdown made it clearer and simpler for you. It's a fundamental part of the language, and mastering it will really boost your confidence and fluency. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next lesson. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching and keep practicing. See you in the next video.